Hakasngi shong dorbar kabaar jong dorbar mang tingka jong ying dorbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya hakajing shim banta banyatai hakabe dei bakajingkran ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar uba Ardent mela basayo moj hakajing lengkot kapor ban pen sngoy kinia jong u bat ban yo ban kro kat tu kat ne gi banta na pereng gi babon kimat kumbala pen sngow daulat Habakran hakatai kaski hakajing pan kambon por ban yo lat ban pen sngow henrei hapo khatsan minute uba Ardent ula yo ban bo ig jingkali halor ka jing shimram ka sarkar jila naki bank ki bana shabar kom ka jaika ka World Bank bat kiwei Habaya shimbanta uba Ardent ula ong ka sarkar ka ba menta ngi tip bha shapang ka jing shim loan jongka bat komta ka long ka badan kam baki paj ba ki de ban tip bakatno ka sarkar kala shim loan na ka bantau snam araja arpusan Katno ka badai ka badang hap ban Siew kilon ki bakum no la shim na kini ki bank ula ongru baka ei ka ban jia la dang nyimla ban Siew ya kilon hadu katno ka sarkar kme kan ba lem ya ka jella na kini ki ram ni yok ngi Shah Bthah bangin hap ai lat ban ti daw uranium ban lait na ka jing sa ram
Mr. Speaker, sir, when I look at these figures, I am skeptical whether the government of the day will be able to live up to its commitment to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy. I don't know from where the money will come. Can we continue to avail loans from various banks? The Comptroller and Auditor General had warned that the state's borrowing trend increased by over 63% in the past 5 years and could lead the state into a debt trap. The fact of the matter, sir, is that we are already in a debt trap. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let me also quote CAG report. Of the total debts, about 73% are internal in the form of market loans, ways and means advances from RBI, special securities issued to national small saving funds and loans from financial institutions. Another 23% is public account liabilities, and only 4% is loans from the central government. So, and the government of the day, as we know, is still availing loans after loans from various international banking institutions. I feel I have the right, and not only members belonging to the site, but the people needs to know how much of the loan had Meghalaya availed till this financial year 2024-25. How much of the loan is yet to be repaid by the government, and what kind of loan is being provided? How much of the financial support from those World Bank, Asian Development Banks, JICA and others are in the form of loans? So, I would like to remind this August House that Meghalaya is a non-revenue generating state. The Chief Minister himself has admitted in one of his meetings with the state tax officers that Meghalaya entirely depends heavily on central government revenue sources. Therefore, sir, my sincere question to the government is whether we are prepared to repay all these loans, and if we fail to do so, will the government of India bail us out, and are we prepared on those conditions to be laid by the government of India when the government of India decides to bail us out? Sir, I'm sure that all the right-thinking members will ponder, and there has been a discourse around that if the state government continues in this trend to take loans, one fine day we may have to face a condition that may bring problem to the state. What will happen if the government of India one fine day asks the state government to repay the loan in the form of extraction of uranium in our state? We have seen media reports recently, sir, that the government of India has set a term to the state government that they must complete these many projects, and if they fail, they have to return all the money.
Habatin, Peit bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut Peit ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya